In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add calculations in Google Forms, a task that might initially seem a bit challenging, but don't worry, I'll guide you through it step by step, making it easy and efficient. Let's start by heading over to Google Drive. Once you're there, look towards the upper left section of the page and click on Apps. This is your gateway to accessing all the amazing Google tools that are at your disposal. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to select Forms. If you don't see it immediately, it might be hidden under More, so keep an eye out. When you click on Forms, you'll be presented with a list of your existing forms or an option to create a new one. Choose the form that you wish to work with by giving it a click. You'll be transported to your Forms dashboard, a space where you can edit the content and set up the logistics for collecting responses. Next, let's shift our focus to the Responses tab. You'll find it at the top of your Forms interface, typically right next to Questions. Click on this tab to access your collected data. At this point, you'll see a small green Sheets icon. This is your link to Google Sheets, where all your form responses are automatically compiled. Click on Link to Sheets and you will create a new spreadsheet or link to an existing one. Once your Google Sheet opens up, it's time to roll up your sleeves and dive into calculations. You can create your desired formulas directly within this spreadsheet. Whether you're working with simple sums or complex statistical functions, Google Sheets capabilities are at your fingertips. Remember, Google Forms doesn't support calculations directly within the form itself. That's why spreadsheets are so useful. They can handle all sorts of data manipulations that you might need. As we move along, it's essential to note that while Google Forms doesn't perform calculations, utilizing Google Sheets as a companion offers a seamless workaround. However, if you're looking for alternatives or additional features, Fillout.com is another option that might suit your needs. But for now, sticking with Google Sheets gets the job done efficiently. You can insert functions just like you would in any spreadsheet software. For example, to sum up a column of numbers, simply type XSM, followed by the range of cells you're adding together. And there you have it, you've successfully linked Google Forms to Sheets to add calculations to your dataset. This method not only enhances the functionality of Google Forms, but also streamlines the process of managing and analyzing responses. I hope this guide helps you simplify your workflow and make the most out of Google Forms. Thank you for watching, and happy calculating.